Unlock the secrets to dominating Monopoly Go with smarter dice strategy. First, let's talk about maximizing your movement while luck plays a role. Understanding the dice roll probabilities can give you an edge aim to land on spaces that offer the most strategic advantage, whether it's collecting rent, building, or drawing a valuable card. To trigger those game-changing events, like landing on a railroad for extra moves or hitting jackpot on a chance card, observe the patterns. Sometimes, a slight adjustment in your thinking process before rolling can lead to the outcome you desire. Think about where you are, where you want to be, and what number would get you there. Optimizing your gameplay isn't just about rolling. It's about intelligent property acquisition and development. Landing on your own properties boosts income, so strategically aim for those spaces when you have the opportunity to build. Prioritize completing color sets to unlock the lucrative hotel stage, as this significantly increases your rent income. Don't forget the social aspect. Attacking opponent landmarks is crucial for resource acquisition and hindering their progress. Targeting their weaker landmarks or those that are close to completion can yield the biggest returns. Think ahead about your opponent's potential moves and plan your rolls accordingly. By implementing these dice strategy insights, you'll find yourself landing on more desired properties, triggering critical events, and ultimately mastering Monopoly Go for increased success and epic resource gains.